Can a phone's corroded PCB be repaired from water? Imagine dropping your phone in water and wondering if it can ever work again. Water damage can seem like the end of your device, but sometimes it's not. When water gets inside a phone, it can cause corrosion on the printed circuit board, or PCB. This corrosion happens because water leaves behind minerals and creates rust on metal parts. The corrosion can break electrical connections, making the phone stop working. But if you catch the damage early, there's a chance to fix it. The first step is to turn off the phone immediately and remove the battery if possible. This stops any current from flowing and prevents further damage. Next, the PCB or logic board needs to be carefully taken out of the phone. Once removed, the board is cleaned using isopropyl alcohol, preferably with a concentration of 90% or higher. This alcohol helps dissolve corrosion and pushes out water residues without leaving harmful leftovers. A soft brush or cotton swab is used gently to scrub away corrosion deposits. After cleaning, the PCB must be dried thoroughly. It's best to let it sit in a well-ventilated area for at least 24 to 48 hours. Avoid using heat sources like hair dryers or direct sunlight because they can warp or damage the delicate board. Once dry, inspect the board closely. Corrosion can damage tiny components like resistors, capacitors, or connectors. If any parts look damaged, or if the phone still doesn't turn on after cleaning, those parts might need replacing. Replacing damaged components involves tiny soldering work, which is best done by a professional with proper tools. Once repairs are complete, the PCB is reinstalled into the phone and the device is tested. If everything goes well, the phone should power on and work normally again. It's important to remember that severe corrosion that eats away at the PCB traces or causes physical damage may be beyond simple repair. In those cases, professional repair shops or even replacement of the entire logic board might be necessary. The key to saving a water-damaged phone is acting quickly. The longer moisture stays inside, the worse the corrosion gets. Using isopropyl alcohol to clean the board and letting it dry completely can often restore functionality. But always keep in mind that some damage is too extensive for repair and might requiring a new device.